Contemporary art inspires passion, generates huge revenues, and dominates today's art world. But why is this? In Christie's Education's 6-week online course, you'll learn about contemporary art and the theories that underpin it. We'll open the door to how the art world works, and you'll meet major industry figures in a series of in-depth interviews. The business aspect of the art world is rarely addressed in conventional art history textbooks, but it has become of great interest in recent decades as prices at the top of the market continue to rise exponentially. In New Layout from 2009, El Anatsui creates an intricate assemblage with the help of his studio assistants who sew together metal bottle caps with copper wire. Assemblage art is made by assembling disparate elements, often everyday objects scavenged by the artist or bought specifically for the project. Here you can see how the caps have been flattened, cut and sewn together with copper wire to create a massive textile of speckled gold and vibrant red blocks.